Hi and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to talk about the fourth stage, the purchase stage. So after a customer becomes aware of the product and doing a bit of research about the product specifications, and next the customer makes a side-by-side comparison of related products. The customer is finally confident to make the purchase. So in this stage, customers will, maybe if it's an online store, they will select the items that they want and they will add it to the shopping cart or the basket, and then they will check out. So there's a chance that a customer might add things to a shopping cart and then abandon that shopping cart. So it's important if you're a business to really ensure that you provide a lot of value compared to your competitors, to ensure that abandoning of shopping carts or customers just deciding to purchase this and not going ahead and clicking that checkout button and making that purchase. So after that, the business is responsible for delivering value after the sale, or as we call value additional services or after sales and maintenance services. So we're going to talk about that in our next lecture. I'll see you around on how businesses can retain customers, or the fifth stage, customer retention.